Hello viewers, myself Abhishek and I am your trainer from EvoZ Technologies. So today we are going to see how to merge PDF template. So this is our app. So we are going to see how we are going to use this app of merge PDF template. So what exactly this template or this app does? This module allow user to merge a PDF template with sales order and sales quotation. That means you can add templates with your sales quotation and with your sales order while printing. So these templates can be your detailed terms and condition which you want to get printed with the quotation or client list, client feedback, etc. So these things can be printed, or you can say can be attached with the print of your sales order or quotation. So the key features are PDF template merge on sales order. Yes, you can attach a PDF template which can be merged with your sales order. You can add the templates as per your requirement. You can print them as the external PDF. So you can print these templates with your sales order or sales quotation. So now let's see how we are going to do configuration for this thing. So here you can see that in sales module you need to go to configuration, and under configuration there is a sales quotation option, sales quotation template option is there, quotation template option is there. You need to click that option after installing the app, and system will open this window of quotation template, where first you need to insert the number of person, template name I mean to say. Here we have mentioned that 4 persons is there. The duration of quotation expire is already there, and then certain things are there, and here you will find the PDF template tab. What you need to do is you need to add your templates over here. You can add multiple templates which you want to get printed with your quotation. Whenever a user prints a quotation, these template will get print as an additional thing. So after you did this configuration, we need to go to sales order, and here you can see in sales order you will, after selecting the customer and all the details, you need to select a quotation template which you want to print. So here we have selected 4% dash which we have created. So once we select it here, and under the PDF template tab we can see all the template which were there in the template. So these you can see, these are automatically appears here. Once you did this thing, now again we need to check this thing print before. If we click the print before option, that means कि these template will be printed before the sales quotation, and if we don't check it, then these template will be printed after the sales order or quotation. So once you did all the things, then just we need to click on print with PDF templates, and as you click on this option, system will print the PDF templates along with your quotation. So the quotation will be printed, and after that these template will be printed. Thank you very much for listening to me. So if you want to get in touch with us, you can mail us on info@evoz.com, or you can also get in touch with us on the phone number given on the screen. Once again, thank you very much.